All right, everyone. We are live. Everything's looking good here. Welcome. Oh, geez, excuse me. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. My name's Odum, and what we do here is every single day, Monday through Friday, we get together and we live stream our process of trying to build ourselves a business that's going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. And of course, as I've said many times before, we're focusing on one product, one avatar, and one channel. And our product is Pixel Pieces, which is our WEBFLOW template and component library. And we're focusing on people with that are basically brand new or have like 1 year, maybe 2 years experience in web design. And of course, the channel that we're going to be focusing on is YouTube right here. You and I talking right now. And of course, creating a bunch of different educational videos that we're going to be releasing probably sometime next week, which is pretty exciting. But before we get to all of that, there is one thing that we have right now that helps us pay the bills, which is Pixel, which is basically our design studio or our web development studio, which we have clients which we build and maintain websites for. And in order to keep maintaining the bills and allowing us to be able to do the things that we're doing for Pixel Pieces, is we still need to bring in some revenue and to bring in some money so that we can kind of focus on transitioning into just doing, I guess, Pixel Pieces full time. So with all that being said, over the past, I think it was last week, we did some updates to our agency page, which we created new products and a way for customers and clients to find us and hire us for our services. But today we are going to just do things a little bit differently and update the site just a little bit. And then we're going to create some new products in Stripe. Maybe just one product. I can't remember exactly. And then we're going to, from there, what are we going to do? We're going to launch our affiliate program as well, too, which after getting some feedback from some people that I've talked to that work with other startups, the pricing that we had for our basic plan was just too expensive for them to really be comfortable in trying to promote the services to, their audience. So I figured we could make a little bit of a sacrifice in the sense of lowering the price, but then also lowering in terms of what people's expectations might be or how we might build the sites, where we'll just basically use components and use templates or whatever that we'll create to be able to whip out websites pretty quickly. Small websites for, again, the real small beginner. Howdy, Kevin. Money sellout. Sorry, shoot, my stupid comments things aren't working. I have it. It's not loading. Hang on a second. Anyways, welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Money, what a sellout. Yeah, I know. Who needs like these things like food and, taking care of the family? It is ridiculous. Hang on. Let me see if I can get these comments going. But yeah. Well, I think that's the first time I've been called a sellout. So, okay. All right. I'll take it. Where is it? Here we go. Yeah. That's funny. Tupo, welcome, brother. How you doing today? Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Right, we're going to kind of update our website. So I kind of put together a little bit of list here in Asana. Let me see if I can zoom in of just the things I think that we need to get done today in order to, let me condense that so we can see all of them. Okay, to update Pixel Pieces. So replace the homepage with our agency page. So we have right now, here's Pixel Pieces. And if it's all about, teaching web design, which is, all good and we like it. But this Hire Us page takes us to this agency page. But I want this page to be front and center. So when people go to pixel.ca, that's kind of what they see. They land on the agency page. Until we until we grow more into the educational and the courses and all that kind of stuff in the fall. So I think for now, having it as the homepage. So we're going to do that. We'll do that. That's pretty straightforward. And I'm not sure about this yet. We'll see how things go. But to create a simple contact page that could get people to either fill out a form in case they want like a custom project. I don't know if I want to do custom projects, to be honest, but if someone's going to throw in a whole bunch of money, I probably won't say no if the project makes sense as well too, then actually enjoy the project. But yeah, just having a fill out form and then maybe kind of direct people like, hey, are you new or just whatever? Just don't contact us. Just buy now, and fill out and just pay through Stripe or what have you. So we need to update our Stripe prices, and we probably have a new product, and we'll get to that in a second. So yeah, the current homepage, we're not going to have this page anymore because this is, excuse me, this homepage is just basically like a landing page where it gets you to the courses and tutorials and just like, just kind of some fluffy text here. So we can condense all that. I don't think we need to put this anywhere else because, well, anyways, you'll see here in a second. And then we want to create a new affiliate program for Pixel as well, because we have our affiliate program for Pixel Pieces. I'm just going to load it up here just so we can see. I think, where did we put it? I think we put it here. Where did we put it? Oh, I think we just have it down here. We should probably put it somewhere down here as well too, just to maybe make it stand out a little bit more so people know about it. But yeah, so the 50% commission, and then this is through Rewardful. So yeah, and we're gonna have that as well for Pixel, and anybody can get like a lifetime 5% commission on the stuff that we sell. Okay. So I did a little bit of wordsmithing here this morning of just updating some text. Professional website at startup friendly prices. Again, kind of really focusing more on the startup people for now anyways. Get a custom website that captivates, engage, and converts your audience into lifelong customers in as little as 5 days. Kind of bringing up some of the old stuff that we had on Pixel before. Websites that delight your customers. So that's kind of stayed the same, just kind of focusing on these 4 different buckets. Understanding your audience, everything's custom towards you, hassle-free updates, steady growth as well. And this will depend on what kind of plan you go on, but we'll get to that in a second. And just kind of a get started button. Maybe you'll change that to start your website or get your website or something like that. But anyways, recent websites, that hasn't changed. Results, that hasn't changed. Customers have to say that hasn't changed. All right, so then here's where we just get to the new thing of pricing. So the only thing I changed is, well, before it used to be, I think it was, let's even go back to here. I think it was 10,000. Yeah, 9,995 USD for a website. And I didn't put any limits on how many pages and how many CMS collections. But what I did here for the starter is, number one, I got rid of the 995 or whatever, because I'm like, I actually hate it when people do that. So like, why am I doing it? So I'll just get straight up 3,000. Doesn't leave any kind of guessing in the mind of the person who's going to be buying, the potential customer. So $3,000, and then you get up to 10 static pages and up to 3 CMS collection. Oh, this shouldn't say pages. This should say collection items. 3 CMS collections. All right, so that's the change there. And in this one, there's no change here. Let me go into, let me zoom in here so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. And if you go into the settings here and the Pro plan, that hasn't changed, except I put it up to 5,000 instead of 4,995 or whatever it was. So the only thing that's really changed is this starter plan for, beginner businesses, right? That, more of the ecosystem of the people that I know. So I think it just makes a little bit more sense, even though I'm not too happy with the price, but it's put food on the table-able price, if that's even a word. But then what I put on here is, trying to get a little bit more value per customer. Okay, let me restate that statement here. In order to be able to get maybe more money from a customer, again, not trying to scam them or anything like that, but in order to increase the lifetime value of a customer, I wanted to add more value to them or be able to give them more value. And then so we have these add-on services that I have, which we need to make Stripe products for these. But there's 2 of them. So one of them is just if you want me to completely manage and update your website, so when you have new content, new blog posts or whatever, you just send it to me. We work through Asana, whatever. And then that's how I work with my clients right now. And then I just update the websites for them, no problem. And that's just a fixed fee of $250. And the whole idea is, the pitch it is like, why train someone and take somebody out of your team that's going to cost you how much money for them to learn and all that kind of stuff? Just give it to the professionals for $250. Pretty good deal. If you're making some revenue anyways. If you're not making any revenue and you're bootstrapping, then obviously you're probably not going to do that. But anyways, you can just get your website for $3,000 and away you go. And then this one for unlimited designs and maintenance, and then search engine optimization. So if you want to have any updates to your design, like say, oh, I want this page to be this or whatever, just maybe can you make some changes to that. But really it's the SEO that's kind of sells things. So if you want to have some SEO stuff, and we'll continue on maybe creating some content and keep working on getting you higher up in your rankings, then we'll work with you to do that. And that's at $1,000 a month. So if you have extra time, would you try to explain what I proposed from the email about the image containers? Would just like to get a visual explanation about it. Yeah, if I have time, I don't know if I will today because this is probably going to take quite a bit of time, but I'll see what I can do. If not today, what I'll try to do is try to just like build something real quick, and then maybe I can send it off to you. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. Because yeah, I know I've done stuff like that before. Because even if you're wanting to make like comment bubbles and whatever, and if you want to have like these reverse rounded corners, yeah, it's pretty interesting. But yeah, anyways, yeah. So we'll see where we're at, and we'll touch base again, kind of at the end of the stream. See where we're at. And then I have just this comment here about the affiliate, like sign up or whatever, and how much you could expect to earn by working with Pixel. So all right, so that's it. And then frequent asked questions. So everything kind of stays the same. There's just a little bit of updated words. So this is going to be the new homepage. And in fact, let's just make it the homepage right now. Where do we do that? Make agency your homepage. So we'll do that. And then this is the old homepage. Let's just bring it kind of up here. Okay. And then, yeah, I changed the navigation again, agency, learn web design, and WEBFLOW products. So just, there's something with that hover effect. Oop. Interesting. Let's see. No, seems okay. Little glitch there somewhere. Okay. Right, so that's at the home page. And now let's take a look at, right, so what happens when you click on courses? So this is learn to become a webmaster. And I think this is where we can take some of the things that we have right now on the home page, and we could bring this into here. So let's see. I'm actually going to, can I split screen this? Because I actually like master the art of web design. I almost want to put that on here. Yeah, in fact, let's go to the old home. Let's copy this whole hero section, and let's take this to the courses. Let's move this to number 2. And let's put that there. And where's this button taking us? It's taking us to join. This is also to join. Okay. So we'll delete that. But I think, now if we go back, so this course is, yeah, we won't need this kind of switcher here because this is just to get you to the 2 different pages that are under Learn Web Design. But I do like this section here. So let's copy this. And then this is just about the components and style guide, which we don't really need, not on this courses page. So let's paste this here. And then I think we can move this. Oh, I think I moved the wrong. Where are you? Oh, it's right here. It's at the start. All right, so this is, I guess, now we have this right here. Discover why people love to learn with Pixel. So it's a little bit, you know, if we haven't even launched a course yet, it's a little, I mean, could you even see why, can you even say why people love to learn with Pixel? I don't know if we can even claim something like that, but is it that big of a deal? I don't know. One thing that I know for sure, I want to be more consistent with our headings. So I like this section heading here. I'm going to copy this and just bring it up here. And then we're just going to go and then I could probably even just simplify this and just say like why people love to learn with Pixel. And here are the reasons. Yeah, we might want to update this a little bit. I'm not a big fan of how these two things are flowing, but yeah, I get notified when this, I could say this and other courses go live. Yeah, it's going to be much better once we actually have a course. Okay, so let's just leave that for a second and let's go, and then we have under learn web design, then we just have the blog, which is fine as it is for now. We have that just kind of that one post and yeah, that works well. And then the WEBFLOW products, again, I guess it just takes us to, what are WEBFLOW products? Where are we? We're not at Pixel again. Oh, hang on. We got 2 Pixel pieces. Let's go to Pixel. Yeah, it takes us to Pixel pieces and then the style guide. Okay. And that's fine too. So we're pretty good. The about page, we still have the about page, but I kind of tucked it in behind here because I'm feeling the about page is a little bit more geared towards, you know, teaching, right? So I don't have it at the top, but it's kind of here at the bottom. So hidden, but not really hidden, I guess. I don't know. Our style guide. Yeah, I think that's fine. And tools, careers. Yeah. And join is just I'll say our free web design and development courses will teach you how to launch a career as a web professional. I'd love this to be on 2 lines. Web courses. Right, that's not too bad. So this join button, I think that's when, yeah, you're on the courses page and you click, yes, I want to become a web design, which is the same thing as here as well too if you fill out this form. Yeah. So I think this is good for right now. Style guide, yeah. And this welcome, I think, is payment received, yeah. Right, this still works fine when someone pays. Okay. So that's good. So I think we're all set with the actual website. So replace the home page. Oh, right. Consolidate page. Yeah, consolidated. Create simple contact us page, which has directions or pricing or a custom form. You know, I'm not a fan of that. I feel like it adds extra complexity. Or does it? Yeah, because we might want to put something like hire us, right? And then it would be actually nice. This is an actual button. Hire us or hire agency. Or should it be get in touch or maybe if this says like start a project and then maybe here we can have like get started, right? And then that takes you, or like choose a price or see prices, see plans. I think get started looks and sounds quite reasonable. All right. So we're going to have to create a very simple page, I guess. So I'm going to go, I like this little section here at the top. Let's duplicate this page. And this is just going to be contact. Get in touch with Pixel. To see. Hang on, let's undo this for a second. Oh, so many undos. Okay. Ready to get a custom built WEBFLOW website tailored specifically to your audience. Contact Pixel today to get your new web project started today. There we go. Contact Pixel. Or maybe we'll say like start a web project Pixel. Okay. Right. Maybe say your project is in good hands. Ugh. Start a new website project. Or should it be like get a new website? Stupid wordsmithing. Your website is in great hands. Or maybe something like this. Finally, a professional website. Like without the price tag. Something like that. Blah, blah, blah. We don't need buttons. I think what we basically want is, let's delete this. I don't even think we want a call to action. That call to action. We just want we need a form, and then we need a little bit of description that can tell them to go to the actual pricing page. So I think what we should do, I wonder if we should reuse our pricing page or section. We can do this. We can take this. Let's copy this. And let's go. Where are we going? Oh my goodness, contact. Paste it here. Okay, why does that look off? Maybe because it's in this section header. Oh, we need to get the custom code as well. But what I'm thinking of here is we can just create a third option, and that third option can be like a custom quote. Yeah, I really like that. Let's do that. So copy, paste this one. This will be custom quote. Or do we even want to do that? Oh God, I don't think so. I feel like with this one, yeah, I don't want to we don't want to be this crazy. We don't want to be that type of agency, right? Yeah, this is like, why have a separate contact form? We could say here, with over 15 years experience building our experience running successful web projects. You can rest easy knowing your website is going to be awesome. That's stupid, but something like that. Yeah, something like that can be added along the way if it's really needed. Yeah, exactly. I think you're talking about having a contact form. Yeah, I agree, because it just adds an extra step. And I mean, I'm so busy as is. I mean, for a $3,000 project, just pay, and then we'll get to work. We don't need to go to this contact and all that kind of stuff, right? So it's not that type of service. So yeah, I think we should keep things super simple. Get rid of that section. Yeah, and we're just gonna jump right into it. Finally, a professional website without the price tag. Start a new website project. today. Let's have a look to see if there's any content that I have from our previous site, just to see if there's anything that we might be able to steal. So let's go to the old homepage. What do we have? Pricing for every stage of business. Choose a plan that's right for you. Not quite. Do we have an old pricing page? We do. What do we say here? Pricing for every stage of business. And we're looking for something here. Finally, a professional website without the price tag. Processes bring you and your customers together. Thought I had something that was, get a website in as little as 5 minutes or something simple like that. Is it in this page? No. This page? No. Right. Get a website in as little as 5 days. I wonder if something like that makes sense here. Because maybe, yeah. Yeah. I like that. So start a project. It's like, yeah, get a website in as little as 5 days. The only reason why I even want to do this page here is because I don't want to, when someone clicks from, say, the blog and they go start a project, I don't want them to go down to the agency page and then scroll down to the pricing. Maybe we should. How about that? Can you even do a link to an anchor like that? Let me see. So, like, as an example, like if we go to Pixel, let's go to this page and start a project. So this would be the link. So what does that look like? If we go here, yeah, it does get you down here. Maybe that's what we should do. But we can't hard link any path like this, but maybe that's what we should do instead. If it's just going to be the same, then why have it in two places? Hang on, let me think. Used to be a painful. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Let's go to this contact page. Let's put this as a draft. And this old homepage. And we're going to draft you as well. And we actually need to update then this button. Yeah, because we can't link. Choose a page section. So I think if it goes here, I don't know if that's going to work for every other page. So if we on the blog page, as an example, if we click this, yeah, that link's not going to work. It's just not going to work. So we're going to go, Leo, how's it going? You're back. How you doing today? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. Right. So we're going to have to just link to, we're going to have to go here to the home page, and then it's just going to be hashtag plans. Yeah, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Just getting ready here to launch our, just kind of a little bit of an update to our agency offerings. So pretty excited about that. And hopefully, once I give the affiliate link to a few colleagues here that run local businesses and that are in touch with other local entrepreneurs, maybe we'll start getting some new clients, which will be kind of neat. So yeah, looking forward to that. All right, so that's what we'll do with that page, and then we just need to go onto the About page, and this updates as well too, so that's perfect. Just make sure everything is on point. Excellent. So I think we're good. Now what we need to do, yeah, that's going to be the easiest thing. We need to update our products here in Stripe. So let's log into Stripe. Hang on here. All right, here we go. Maybe I should hide this in case anything crazy shows up real quick here. Let's go to our product catalog. I think that's where we need to be. So how long have I been doing this? So I've been live streaming. This is episode number 360. And it's basically every day, Monday through Friday. I think there was a 1 week where I was away because I was at a conference. But other than that, it's been pretty much every day. Holidays, no matter what. So I think I'm going to be approaching 2 years. I'm thinking August, September, something like that. Or is it November? I don't know. It's getting close to 2 years, I think. So yeah, we're plugging away slowly but surely. Right. Okay. So we have our starter plan, and then we have our pro plan. So if we go into our pro plan, we want to be able to update this price, but I don't know if we can because we have a link. So we're going to have to see. Cool. Yeah. And, happy that, you're coming along for the ride. So appreciate you tuning in. And if at any time you ever have any questions or whatever, just by all means, let me know. Yeah, $5,000. Yeah, per month. Yep. So it's going to be for clients that are definitely more established and that are looking to basically have somebody, an agency, take over complete control of their website and their web presence and help them out with SEO and stuff. So literally what it would be like would be, you don't have to hire a developer, you don't have to hire a designer, and you don't have to hire someone to do your SEO, or an agency usually we might hire for that. So in essence, you would save yourself at least 2 full-time salaried positions. So, yeah, no, that's, 100%, I'm not saying that I'm going to get every single person as a client because that would be unreasonable. But I don't, I don't need to have every single person. But you might see what we've done too is that's for what I do for my premium clients. And if you think that price is unattainable, it's not, because I'm already pretty much close there with one of my clients. So it's just getting the right fit for the client that knows what the value is of the services that you're going to offer. But that being said, for what I'm doing for starter companies and starter businesses, we changed the price to, what did we change the price to? We changed the price to $3,000 to get a website in, like a week, maybe 2, depending on how quickly they can get us content. So that's what we're going to have for their startup businesses. And then hopefully eventually help them grow, help them get more money, make more money, and then one of these days become a pro client. Anyways, so this plan here, we just want to 5,000. So can we edit the price? Yeah, it's not going to allow us to edit the price because it's used in, right. So what can we do? I think do we need to create a new price? So what are we going to do? Do we need to archive it or gotta see what the best way about it is going to be. So we have archive pricing. So we already archived a bunch of other stuff. So let's just look at our active ones. So if you get 2,000 clients, you have $1 million. That would be $1 million a month. Is that 2,000 clients? Is that what you mean? I think that's what you mean. Let's see. So you're saying 2,000 clients times 5,000. That would be $10,000. Or 10 million. Jeez. I don't plan on getting 2,000 clients. Or unless you're talking about the 3,000. No, that would be 2,000 clients times 3,000. That would be 6 million? 6 million. Or maybe you're just talking about getting to the $1 million. Anyways, numbers. Yeah, it'd be a lot. I can't the capacity of handling 2,000 clients. That would be like insane. Math is bad. Making $10 million like a month as an agency. I'm sure. I don't even know if there's any. I'm sure there's some agencies like big marketing or advertising agencies that pull in that kind of money. The ones that have like offices worldwide and that are having, big, huge Nike and all those big companies as clients. Anyways, okay. So we want this. Let's edit this product. So if we go to add another price, let's just see if we can do this one. $3,000. So we'll keep the same product. Include tax and price auto. No, it needs to be a one-off fee. And we're not charging Canadian. We're charging USD. USD. Right. I think we'll hit next there. Right. And then we'll set this as the default price. And we'll update the product. I wonder if we can. This price. Can't remove a price that was used before. So question here, will you build websites? Yeah, 100%. I mean, that's what I've been doing for like my whole career, almost 20 years now, it would be websites. So that's primarily what it is. And again, maybe some SEO stuff too, depending on the clients that come in. But all my clients that I do right now, it's basically just building and managing websites for them. And I use WEBFLOW. So if you see any of my other videos, and what we're using today is we're using WEBFLOW, and that is my tool of choice. With WordPress, I used to use WordPress way back in the day, but around 2019, 2020, I switched over to WEBFLOW because I just found it a much more intuitive interface for me to be able to build something quickly, and also for me to be able to pass it on to clients as well too. A much cleaner interface for them to be able to take control over the content and manage their websites. So I really, really like it. So coding it, I still love coding things by hand. I love being in control and being able to know exactly what the code is for every little thing that I have in a website. But in terms of speed now, using something like WebFlow where I can just whip up something super, super quick, use a template or whatever, and just hit publish and everything's just handled and taken care of. It's not worth the time and effort to try to build something by hand unless I'm actually developing an application. So if I'm doing an app, 100% I'm going to use Rails or something like that, and I'm just going to code everything by hand. But for just a website for a client that's going to come in and says, hey, I got a new ice cream store. I want to have a simple website that shows people like my ice cream, and I have the menu, $3,000, a couple days, I'll whip up a website for you, custom to your needs or whatever, and then away we go. So it's a balance between what the customer's needs are and how much time I can spend per customer to make it actually a profitable business at the end of the day. Okay, so what was I thinking? Oh, right. We just updated this price. So that's the default. So if that's the default, if I go to the payment link, is that going to change? Let's see. So let's just refresh this. No, we want to go here. So if I hit this get started, right, it's still at $9.95. So that's not good. Maybe we need to take a look at, because here this is going to have, right. So if I archive this price, we can archive it. And then this one, we can create a payment link. Right, this is what we want. And after payment, I think we need to go to pixel.ca / what was the link? What was the page? I think it was welcome, right? Yes, welcome. Stripe / welcome. I program a bot, so I code everything from zero because it's like a project. I started when I started coding. Still working on it. I love coding. Yeah, listen, I'm not going to disagree with you. Coding is a lot of fun, and it's like problem solving. So you're probably like me too. Like, when I was a kid growing up, whatever, like I loved math, I loved problem solving, love physics, and coding is just kind of like that. It's just, and what I love about it too, maybe more than straight up like programming, is I love like art and I love being creative. So I love the creative aspect of it, which is why I think I focused more on the front end and the design aspect of coding as opposed to the back end stuff. So, but being able to create something visually through code, I don't know. It's just, it is a whole lot of fun. Just I think working is supposed to be fun, and that's why I code everything from zero, because I enjoy it. Yeah, working is supposed to be fun as well too. But there's also a thing too, like at least from my point of view, and could be different for every single person out there, is there's always a combination between doing something that you enjoy doing something that's fun, but also something that gives you purpose and a sense of meaning, and then also provides value to the world and just serves other people as well too. So feeling good about doing something that helps other people. So, and then it's finding a balance between, can I actually make money from doing the stuff that I love to do? And are there any trade-offs that I need to make in order to be able to do more of that so that I can make a living doing what I love to do? So it's kind of funny. Like you look at a lot of YouTubers as an example where they just love making videos. So they just started uploading videos because they love doing it. And then before long, all of a sudden they realize that their channel blows up or whatever. And then they got to hire editors. They got to hire this whole team. They got to do this. And then they got to chase the views and chase the algorithms. And then they're like, you hear a lot of them, they burn out and they're like, I just loved making videos. What the hell happened? Now it's like this whole business. And it's like, I didn't want that. So yeah, you have to figure out what the happy medium is of doing the stuff that you love to do and making sure you can focus on that, but also having the lifestyle and the life that you want to live, so that every day is like you're doing something that you love to do. So it's a very interesting topic, and that's stuff that I talk about quite often, because to me, that's like one of the whole beauties of life, is trying to figure out what that balance is and trying to figure out how every day you can find that thing to do that brings you purpose and fulfillment. And to know that every day it's not always going to be the most fun. Some days you just may not feel like coding or whatever, even though you love doing it. It's all about finding that balance. All right. I agree. I really love building websites because of the front end. Yeah, right on. So we'll get along. I hope you blow up on YouTube one day. Yeah, I hope so too. Thanks, I appreciate that. I think, like, I know that I'm going to get there. What does blow up mean? I don't know, but I know that I think I'm going to have some type of success. I don't know exactly what that's going to look like, but I'm going to keep plugging away. And, I don't care about the numbers. The numbers are what they are. And I think the more people that come on board that resonate with the stuff that I say and the stuff that I do, that more and more people are just going to start watching, and then we'll just go from there. So looking forward to it. I'm going to keep plugging away. But hey, it's been 2 years and we're at just under 500 subs. So hopefully we'll get that exponential growth where it'll only take us 6 months instead of 2 years to get to the next 500. Okay, so let's keep going here. Let's get this payment link and let's go to our pricing table. Right, and this get started button, I think we need to replace that with this. Okay, so that should work. And now we need to go back to our products. And if we look at, so this still has 2 prices, but this one's archived. If we go to our Pro plan, can we create a new price here? Yeah. USD. No, not 10,000. What am I doing? Right, this is recurring fee. 5,000 US. Monthly. Yep. Create price. Yeah, perfect. So make this one the default. Set as the default price. I want to archive this price. And then let's create a payment link for this one. And again, here we're going to replace with a custom message. Oh geez, I hope I did this right on the other one. I'm gonna double check now because I feel like I might have screwed this up. /welcome. Show confirmation page. Right. Create link. Copy that. Go here and let's go, not interactions. Let's go to this guy and paste that new link. Okay. So I think that's good. Okay, let's go back to my product catalog. Let's go back to starter. Let's just look at this. Where can I edit it? Is it here? No. I want to see the link. Payment links. Right, let's look at this here. Edit. After payment. Right, that's replacing with custom message. Yeah, I thought I screwed that up. We want to do this. Send them to this page. Update link. And I think that's still the same URL, right? CN1 and CN1. Right. Okay, so that's good. Now we got to create one more plan for these add-on packages. Leo, your vids are amazing and long. I spent like 2 hours on a video and get like, so you're okay. Your videos are amazing long. I spent like 2 hours on a video and get 1K views when I'm lucky. But you spent over an hour a day for one and only got 30K views on your channel. Oh, like overall. Yeah, no, I know. But I think it's different because of like it being a live stream. because I have some of my other videos which have a few thousand views, and the channels that I had before. This is my first channel as well too. So I've been making videos since 2009. So, but my other company that I had way before this one, it was like a contesting channel. And those were getting like thousands of views, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if his live streams I think live streams are just treated a little bit differently than your regular videos. And I think they're a little bit harder to, at least for me, I haven't really spent time to figure out how to hook somebody at the beginning of the video and then talk about something that's going to make somebody want to watch. I think it's only really going to be relevant for people that are interested in this whole process. And it's really more of a documentary thing that I'm doing here. Whereas, like you're saying, I hope you blow up in the future. Like imagine in 3 years from now, when I actually do build this company into $1 million business, and then you'll be able to see literally from like the time that I started the business till I got to $1 million, what I did on a day-to-day basis to get there. So, and I think that's going to be incredibly valuable in the future. So, but now in the present, yeah, I don't think it's going to get much traction. So, which it is what it is. But yeah, I don't think it's so much unfair in the sense that I'm just documenting what I'm doing. It's not like hey, here's how you can learn something really, really quick and then get in, get out, and get the user, the viewer, the information that they want, right? So, but yeah, at least you got 500 subs. You really deserve every one of them. Thank you. And thank you if you're I can't see who's a subscriber, but hopefully you are. And I thank you, for being one for sure. But yeah, it'll come. I'm not too worried about it. All right. So, we need to make on this add-on price. So let's go back to our products and lifetime component access. Oh, right. Don't delete that. And these prices okay. So let's add a product and we're going to call this, we're just going to call it add-on. Ooh, right. I was thinking of creating one product with two prices, but now I'm wondering if we need to create two different products because the description is going to be the same or different, right? So hang on, let's exit this. Let's just have a look at this. Yeah, it's two different pricing for the same product. Because if we go here, price description, you can only add a description. Yeah, shoot. I don't think we can. So, yes, you subscribed. Well, thank you. Yeah, appreciate it again. What should we do? I think we'll create, are they different products? I guess that's the question. And I don't really know about this in terms of like thinking about inventory. And I don't know how much it matters, but is this, okay. So we have an add-on for full service website maintenance and then an add-on for maintenance, design, plus SEO. Is that the same product? Again, I guess I'm trying to put on like my developer hat and think if that should be thought of as the same. I wonder if you can have like a different description. So like if we go here, get started. Oh, the link is no longer active. Yeah, of course. Of course. So it has this. It just has starter for new. Yeah, I think because of this. No, there's got to be a way. There's got to be a way. Let's look at this for a second. Yeah, but Leo, I am relatively new. Never had time when you were streaming, but now I have time, so I'll try to be there tomorrow too. Yeah, like I appreciate it. Anytime anyone can pop by, is appreciated again because I stream every day, and it's like if it's like a couple hours a day, that's a lot of time. Aviv, hello, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? Good to see you here. What are we doing? We are trying to create a couple Stripe products to add into our offerings for our web design agency, our creative agency. And I'm just trying to figure out now for these add-on services that we're going to have, if I should make one product and have two different prices, or they should be individual products within Stripe. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. So am I coding? Well, I'm using WEBFLOW and Stripe right now. So it's pretty much just basically no code, at least for the stuff that I'm doing today. So I'm not going to be getting into any kind of code today. I don't think. I know Tupo was asking earlier about doing kind of a custom like hero section or what have you. But that'll require some custom coding, but I don't know if I'm going to have time to get to that today though. Okay, so let's just add this one product and let's see what we can do if we need to add another one or whatever. So this is an add-on. And this is going to be, what are we going to call it? Let's just put the actual name in the description here. Let's take that and let's go full service website maintenance for your custom starter website. Yeah, I think we're going to have to do two different products. Because I'm trying to think of, like, if it was a t-shirt, right? A t-shirt would be one product, but you can have multiple different like sizes and colors, but that's still one product. But this is almost like there's two different add-ons, but they're like a completely different thing. So one would be like a t-shirt, but one would be like a sweater, or like a t-shirt with a different logo attached to it, right? So they're both t-shirts, but one is a Star Wars t-shirt and one is a Star Trek t-shirt, whatever. So I think that's the difference. So yeah, I think we do need to have two different products for this. So are you building a website of a product? So what we're building right now is on our site, pixel.ca, we have two things. Number one is an agency. So people hire me to build and manage their websites. So that's what I do. So basically, the one simple thing is I build websites for my customers. So we're just adding in the functionality for people to be able to do the whole purchasing and everything of that completely automated without even having to talk to me. So they just click a button, they pay, I get notifications, and then I send them emails, and then we get started building their website, do that fast. So that's part of what we're building today. And then we're going to add in affiliate marketing and all that kind of stuff to it as well. But the main thing that I'm working on is Pixel Pieces, which is the WEBFLOW template and component library that we have. So that's a product, and I could just show you that right here. This is the product right here where people can join in, and it's like if you want to get access, you can join for free, or you can have like a one-time payment to get lifetime access. And these are access to WEBFLOW components. So WEBFLOW is a no-code editor to build websites, and that's what I use for my clients, and that's what I use to make pretty much most of my stuff these days. And if you build things on websites or you're learning to build WEBFLOW or whatever, Pixel Pieces is a product that might be of interest to you. So yeah, so that's what we're doing, and that's the basis of really where I want to focus most of my time and energy is building this product to help people be able to learn how to do web design and WEBFLOW, especially if you're kind of a newer person in the industry and you want to figure out, well, how do I start an agency, or how do I make money building websites for people, or whatever. So that's kind of what the knowledge I want to kind of put out there through Pixel Pieces. Anyways, I got to work on my elevator spiel for sure to make it a little bit more succinct. Okay, right. Add-on prices. Let me get this going here. USD. So Rolando, are you here, Rolando? I'm not sure, but it's funny too, because I know you're talking about moving to Canada. I'm here in Canada now, but I want to start charging in US because I don't know, I'm not feeling good about the Canadian dollar, and I think our economy is not going to be doing so well, and I feel the Canadian dollar might go for a pretty bad crash. So I'm not too fond in having to collect Canadian currency, especially the fact that I could be remote as well too. So, right. So we're going to call this add-on add-on, what should we call it? Add-on, and we'll say maintenance. Maintenance, that's spelled correctly. There we go. Recurring, yeah, 250. And yeah, add that product. Okay, and we'll create our second product, which is add-on, which is we'll say content, maintenance, and SEO. We'll go here. Go unlimited website design, maintenance, and SEO for your starter website. All right, and that's recurring, US dollars, $1,000. And let's add this. Okay, perfect. So we need to get a link. Where do we get the link? I think, do we get it here? Nope. Cancel. Where do we get the link? Maybe right here. Create payment link. Show confirmation page. This one, actually, let's just show confirmation page. We'll just say, we're not going to send them to welcome because it's different, because this is an add-on. So this will say, thank you for purchasing the starter add-on package for unlimited website content updates. I will be in touch shortly with you to go over how everything will work. Thank you very much. For trusting in me to take care of your website. Yeah, I like that. Something like that. Nice custom message. And confirmation page. What is this post-payment invoice? Right. Can't do much about that one. and create the link. Aviv, okay, it's nice to meet you. I'll be back to your channel soon. I think that's going to be soon. Yeah, very nice meeting you as well too, and thank you for stopping by. I much appreciate the support. As I always say, if at any time you have any questions or just want to chat or whatever, just hit me up. Always happy to chat. Okay, add-on maintenance. So let's copy that link and let's go here and let's paste that in. And we're looking pretty good. Yeah, okay. And last product is this add-on. Let's create a payment link. And replace. Oh, shoot. Well, hang on. Let's X out of this. Let's exit. Let's go back to this one. Sorry, I just got to cut and paste. I want to see the payment link. Where's the payment link? Payment links, right. Edit. All right, copy that one. There's $1,000 US. Create payment link, right. And we just want to, thank you very much for purchasing the starter add-on packages for unlimited website design, content updates, and SEO. Thank you very much for trusting me. For trusting me to take care of your website for a website. I'm really looking forward to working together to increase the business your website will bring you. That's clunky. Thank you. I'm really looking forward to working together to increase the business your website will bring you. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of true. That's okay. Leo, I got to go now. Have a wonderful day and hope to see you next time. Yeah, I'm here every day, Monday through Friday. So have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. And yeah, absolutely. We'll see you next time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so create this link. Copy this and we'll paste that. Okay, so I think that's good. So let's push this live. Should I have double check stuff? Maybe. Yeah, everything looks good. Let's go back to Pixel. So if we go start a project, that's going to flow us down here. Perfect. Let's just open these links in another window. Yeah, that looks good. Stripe checkout. This is $5,000 per month. This is pay. This is just the 3,000 starter plan. So that looks good. Interesting. This is a little bit different here with this optional. Okay. And then let's click on this one. Stripe checkout. Subscribe to add-on maintenance. $250 per month. And then the last one is this one at 1,000. Subscribe to add-on content maintenance. Perfect. So that's all those links are working. So that's good. Let's just go back here to make sure everything looks good. We got our client list. This get started goes down. That goes to where it needs to go. This works. Looking good. That's still looking good. Book a call now. That's still working. Perfect. Careers page. Yep. Still looks good. About. Start a project. That takes us down here. We don't get the scroll effect, but that's okay. Tools page. So we go to courses. Master the art of web design. Learn the real world skills you need to build a successful web design. So this here gets you to join. It's coming soon. I feel like this is too much. Like this needs to be more front and center. Okay, well I'm gonna fix that. It's getting a user to do way too much work. Right? Like, yeah, I want to do this, and then you go all the way to, then you got to scroll down to here and like read all this garbage. I wouldn't say it's garbage because I'm the one that wrote it, but it is kind of. And we got our blog here, which is good. We need to start writing some more blog posts after we get all this stuff all sorted out. Pixel Pieces goes to Pixel Pieces, which is fine. And then our style guide. Just get the free style guide, which I still think is here. Yep, still clonable. You can clone, and of course you can just see it if you just wanted to look at it. There's the style guide. Beauty, still looking good. Okay. So, right. No pixels here. Oh, okay. So let's fix that. So when we click on this, right, it, whoops. It went to old home. We don't want it to go to old home. We want it to go to new home. All right. So that should be up and running, although let's go to not the 404 page. So if we click here, not there. Let's just go to tutorials, which is the blog, and then we click there. Yep, that takes us, whoops, to where we want to go. If we just go to the about page for a second, click here, that's back home. Good. Everything is looking good. All right, so what I'm going to do as well too is once I start promoting this to people, they can see that, hey, this is kind of where they go to. It's going to, I think it's going to resonate to, again, people that are looking for a website and they would love to get a good website, you know, not a crappy website, although a lot of people don't know the difference between a good website and a crappy website, but hopefully they'll trust in me to know that they can get a good website. And then yeah, and just to understand that they're not going to be getting a super professional whatever website, but because they'll know that, like, hey, if you want to get a super pro website, it's going to cost you a lot more money. But if you want to have a beginner website that's going to be good for you, you can have this starter pack for $3,000, get yourself a website. And then we can do these add-ons in the future. And again, my whole goal too is not to become a web design agency or anything like that too, but if I can get enough business where I can hire somebody to work on the client stuff on the back end, I could focus 100% of my time on Pixel Pieces, which is what I really want to do, is build up that whole aspect of the business and the company and really kind of create a product that people are going to use. And even I'll say products too, because there's other things that I know that I want to build that I think are going to be just amazing products. Oh, sorry about the ice there if you're hearing that ice go. Okay. So we did this because, well, we can just delete that because we're not going to use that thing. So we updated Stripe. So the last thing that we want to do today, right now anyways, is create a rewardful account so we can get affiliates started. So that's what we want to do. I think I need to access my email here first, because what do I need to do? I need to create a new email address, because the affiliate program that I have right now, let me just see. Yeah, I'm already using my @pixel email address, so I can't use that. So I'm gonna have to create an alias. So give me a second here. I'm just in my email, and I think I can show you this. This is Hey, by the way. Hey is awesome, by the way. It's expensive for email because, I mean, Google and whatever is kind of free, but if you want to manage your own email, you want to do it in a completely different way. I really recommend these guys. Okay, so I want to add an extension. So I'm going to call it affiliate @pixel. And who should get that? I should just get that. It's fine by me. And then add that extension. Okay. So that's welcome back. So I don't want to welcome back. I want to sign up. So I'm going to sign up again as a new person. So we're going to just call ourselves Pixel. HTTPS. No double I. Pixel.ca. Password. Okay. Hang on a second. I need to refresh this, and I'm just going to unshare my screen for a second so I don't flash the password, which I tend to do. Excuse me. Affiliates. Pixel. And then rewardful. That's a new item. Save. I am not a robot. Sign up. Okay. So I got to make sure. All right, I got this here. So let's confirm our email address. Confirmed. And we're going to stick with monthly for now, and we're just going to choose our starter plan. Oh, you need to log in to continue. Yeah, it always does this weird thing. All right, so we're going to log in as affiliate. What's going on? Let's try that again. Wow, don't know what's going on. Right, I gotta do this. Okay, where's my money? Where's my plastic money? I guess it's not really money at all, but it's the way the world works right now. Enter your credit card dealers. Credit card info. Yes, I am in Canada. And I do not want to save that. Oh, shit. I totally forgot. I tried this before, but there's a problem. I can't sign in for Stripe. Ah, shit. I make the same mistake as I did before. So we're here. I just created this account, but it says I need to use my Stripe account, but I can't. Dang it. What's this paddle account? What is paddle? Maybe I'll just try that. Because this is asking. Oh no, I use Stripe. Because if I go like this, I'm pretty sure if I click here, yeah, and I go to connect, account has already been taken. Right. So, So the only thing that the only thing, I think we have two options here. Number one, I have to find a new affiliate marketer. Or number two, I need to create a separate Stripe account for Pixel and then have a separate one for Pixel pieces. Man, I don't like that. I don't like either of those options. Because it would be a pain. It'll be a pain in the ass because with Stripe, with Pixel Pieces, it's already integrated enough that I already have customers that are in there, right? Through the people that sign up for the free plan. So I don't want to go messing around with that. And then when I'm in for Pixel, I mean, I already have recurring customers that are through Stripe. So gosh, there's nothing I can do. I need to find an alternative. Damn it. Oh, that's annoying. But I guess it makes sense. And can I? Shit, I remember having this huge talk with these guys the other day as well to see if I can set up something on another domain. Hang on, let's log out. Let's log in. Multiple campaigns. Sorry, I'm just looking at Rewardful here. These are the campaigns. How hard would it be to create an affiliate program? Can you give me 5 companies where I can set up an affiliate program? I like Rewardful, but I can't use them. Would like to know alternatives, please. Partner Stack. So I know Partner Stack because obviously I'm part of Partner Stack, at least in terms of getting affiliates for WEBFLOW. Network profile. So that's Can I sign out here? For vendors, yeah. I would like to look at pricing. Let's have a look at this demo here. It won't even let me. Like I have to pay to. Oh, stupid. Well, I guess I'm going to get marketed too hard here. Let me just do see if they sell my email address to anybody.
PartnerStack makes it easy to manage, scale, and grow your revenue through partnerships. We do this by providing partners a reliable, single source of truth that the PartnerStack network trusts for reliability and ease of use. The PartnerStack channel experience allows channel professionals to automate the day-to-day channel operations so you can focus on growing your relationships with new and existing partners. Having trouble tracking down a partner's information, performance, or pipeline across spreadsheets, CRMs, and emails? PartnerStack gives your channel a single source of truth for a partner's entire relationship with your program. Sales activity, links, and messages are all easily accessible. Utilize tags, filters, and search functionality to easily find partners even with a program of thousands.
This is like way overkill for what I want.
Unlike other partnership tools that limit your programs to a single channel, PartnerStack powers multiple channel types under a single account. Whether you're looking to capture customer referrals, leads from marketing partners, or track reseller pipeline, PartnerStack's link tracking and pipeline toolkits make it easy to provide your partners transparency and confidence in your relationship. A part of this confidence comes from the flexibility of the PartnerStack integration engine that makes it simple to set up and maintain a sync between your partner's sales activities and your CRM data, avoiding frustrating channel conflict. As your channel scales,
Put this
maintaining a welcoming and
faster speed
experience becomes a challenge. PartnerStack takes a load off your shoulders by allowing you to onboard, engage, and train partners for success without adding costly resources to your partner management team. Easily congratulate your partners for reaching program milestones with our powerful trigger-based emails and communications within PartnerStack. Stop wasting your days sending the same sales collateral and LMS invite emails to each of your partners individually. PartnerStack puts your partner enablement on autopilot, allowing your partners to self-serve resources, create their own co-branded materials, and take training course and certifications at their own pace within their portal.
I mean, that is pretty
Looking to
cool.
inspire partners to promote a newly launched product or offer a new incentive just before the end of the quarter? Set up monthly challenges, allowing partners to earn more by helping you hit your revenue goals. The best part? Your partners will love it. PartnerStack has been built with the partner experience in mind, which means you'll have happy and engaged partners that are excited to help you hit your revenue goals. A growing partnerships channel can sometimes be as intimidating as it is exciting. With scale comes larger volumes of revenue, commissions, and numbers of active partners. It can be almost impossible to manually ensure that partners are not only being for your program. Strikes the perfect balance of giving your partners the real-time earning feedback by allowing your finance and partnerships team a friendly interface through a fraud suite powered by. Launching a program on PartnerStack is not an isolated experience. Most partners are promoting multiple solutions and are always looking for new revenue opportunities or new solutions they can bring to their client base. By using PartnerStack, your program accesses the massive network of partners on PartnerStack. Some of our top programs have found a 30% revenue boost to their channel revenue, all driven by marketplace partners. If you're looking to build new partner relationships, scale your channel without increasing resources, and giving your partners a best-in-class partner experience, PartnerStack is a great home for your current and next channel program.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Let's... What does it say? Pricing? Okay, let's see if we can get like if we get a call with somebody, because it doesn't hurt to get it on a call. What's my number? 7282. Company name, Pixel. I'm a B2B, I guess. I'm not an agency, a partner. No, this one. Through already an affiliate for WEBFLOW. I would like to learn how I can use PartnerStack to help my audience earn commissions by referring people to my products and services. Yeah. Pixel. Already and affiliate for WEBFLOW. All right, let's book my call. A member will be reaching out to me shortly. Okay, well, let's see. All right, I guess we'll wait for that. What are the other Post Affiliate Pro? What is this? Oh, it looks like I already looked at this one. Yeah, shit, and it's $130 a month. Oh, shit, that's expensive. That is expensive. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. Can I not? Let's ask ChatGPT what it would take. What would it take for me to be able to create my own custom affiliate program to track purchases and commissions on my website? Yeah. It's a lot. Okay, programming, yeah, that's fine. Creating links, that's no problem. Yeah, that's no problem. Tracking, I don't know. Yeah, you gotta manage everything. Oh fuck, there's a lot of stuff. Ugh, man, oh man. Yeah, that sucks. Well, I think I'm going to wait to hear back from Partner Stack, see what they say. Let's just try a couple other ones here. Create, track, and scale your affiliate marketing program. Solutions. Yeah, just affiliate marketing. Pricing. These are expensive too. Conversions 2000s. They charge you by how much you can click, or at least it's part of the package. That's hilarious. Recurring commissions. Compare us. Compare us to who? Compare them to Rewardful. Real-time tracking and reporting. Check. CPAs, in-house fraud detection, unlimited affiliate programs, multiple tracking domains. Oh, that's interesting. Multiple tracking domains. So this would be interesting. If I can get more than one affiliate product, that would be like one for Pixel Pieces and then one for Pixel. That would be amazing. Affiliate bonuses, recurring commissions. Yeah, that's interesting. I might have to take a look. What's the difference between these guys and Partner Stack? Pricing, no pricing available. Yeah, I think it's probably expensive. They just have nothing here. So that's like the same, except we don't know what the price. All right. Jeez. Let me look at the... Let's look at this affiliate marketing here for a second. Tracking and attribution. Coupon codes for offline sales. Sure, let's try a free, let's go here. Let's start this free trial. We're gonna go monthly right now because I don't want to get saddled with a huge bill if this goes sideways. I'm just gonna hide this screen here just so when I fill this out, again, I'm gonna create a password. So, right. Right. I do not want to receive notifications, special offers, and next step. Okay, the next step is just using my credit card. No worries, won't charge you today. Yeah, well, you better not. And just gonna pop that in once again. I gotta remember also to cancel my other affiliate, the new one that I just set up with Rewardful. Throw that in there. 6th, I think. Okay. and create account. Okay, let's get started. Company name, Pixel. We're in Canada. State, Nova Scotia. I am going to just hide this again here. Just going to type in my address. Okay. This will show when your affiliate signs up for your program. I don't know. What do we call it? Pixel affiliate? No, we just want to go to pixel.ca for now. Currency is USD. Commission to affiliate. Oh, stop it. For each, yeah, see, this is where it's for each conversion. Because what if you wanted to have different affiliate prices based on different products? Yeah. Anyways, we're going with 5% anyways, which is fine. That's what we want. So Pixel affiliate program. Complete. Okay. Oh, 5 steps left, about 16 minutes. Customize affiliate. All right, what do we have? Ooh, okay, we can put a logo. Do I have a Pixel logo on here? Let's see. They don't take SVG. So, but have this one here. Is that going to work? Ah, there we go. Pixel form header. What's it? Ooh. We're excited to have you on board. Sign up. Sign up below. Really? Are you using this? What's the name of this font? It starts with a B. Oh, I can't remember. I guess we can. This is kind of cool. We can tailor this whole thing. Welcome to the Pixel affiliate program. Oh, right. We can change our colors. That's kind of cool. Where is the main color and accent color? Where's it coming from? I can't see the difference here. But let's go to Pixel and let's look at our colors. We know this is our primary color. Oop. I think let's go here. And, okay, well, we weren't done. Oh, did it not save anything? Oh, that's frustrating. That is frustrating. Come on, guys. Serious? Can't save this stuff as we go. All right, well, we're just going to save it. Value's not a... Logo. Oh, okay. Oh, it wants a URL. The image is too big. Then why'd you allow me to upload it in the first place? Ugh. What about this one? No, that's pixel pieces. That's wrong. Oops. FL Studio. No, I'm not making music. That's so annoying. All right, let's save this. Can we? It's not save as. There it goes. 400 pixels. Where did that save? Export. Oh, it's in that desktop. I don't want it there. Let's just go straight to the desktop. Did it save? It says saved. It says step was skipped. Yeah, definitely Stripe. Or what is this for verify? I think we want to verify because this whole install code is going to be different for, like, we're not going to hit them to the welcome page every single time, right? So let's see. I got to verify this thing here. Okay. I feel like there might be some issues here. Let's turn this down. And let's try that again. Tap test equals true. Before you kick off your program, let's zoom this in a little bit here. You need to start having on your website. It says install or, so it says waiting for me to verify, but it says open up this, but what's happening? Nothing's happening here. It says tap test equals true. Okay. And it's waiting for me. What do I need to do here? All right. I mean, this thing should do something, but it's not doing anything. Oh, God, this is so frustrating. At least with Rewardful, it just worked. I have a feeling there might be an issue with Brave. Let's open up Chrome. Can I log in, please? And I'll try this. Okay, we're gonna go again, verify, open integration tester. Yeah, it's also not doing anything. Oh, sigh. This is annoying. Waiting for you to verify your integration. This one seems to have the most views. Let's
Tab
take a look.
affiliate tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own affiliate marketing program as a complete beginner in 2020 over here. Now you basically for now the title and then come so dashboard. You basically have to enable all the features that you will get in their smart. If everything over here is platform you wish to install space JavaScript, even WordPress as well. I'm gonna simply choose WordPress and then you will basically see this particular integration section which you can use to actually set it up. It is best that a programmer does this. After that click on complete and now you basically have conversions, your conversion.
Right, that doesn't give anything. Okay, so let's just, I guess, maybe try to do it the code way. Supported. Yeah, well, it's definitely Stripe. On your thank you page. Have your developer replace Stripe customer ID and Stripe charge ID with respective Stripe values for current customer and charge. Yeah. But that's on the immediate purchase. Oh man. Make a purchase. I guess you're gonna have to do that on a test site. I don't understand why they just don't have an integration where I can just go in here and then it verifies. So I have to add this and then I also have to do this. on a thank you page. Because again, I don't have a thank you page. You remember the ones for the add-on, it doesn't go to the thank you page. It's almost like it says or, but it should be like and. So do I want to do the hassle of this? Oh man. I mean, I think I pretty much have to, don't I? I think I do. I mean, not that this is difficult, but I mean, well, there is a problem because there's going to be this charge ID is going to be like, it's going to be different. Like there's multiple charges. Yeah, I don't know. It's I guess with Pixel Pieces, it's nice because there's one product and like that's it. But with this one, it's like multiple products and it's just 5% for everything. Maybe I just do it like manually. Like if I tell people, hey, listen, if you want to be an affiliate, reach out to me. And then maybe I could, I don't know. Maybe there's some way that I can send them a code that'll have a tracking and some kind of cookies or whatever. And then I can see who actually clicked through and where they went through. Maybe there's something I can do within Mixpanel or something, and that would save me a whole shit ton of money in terms of trying to set up some crazy affiliates, at least at this stage of the game. I don't know. Maybe I'll talk to somebody to see what I can do, what we can come up with. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do for that affiliate. I guess what we're going to do is, at least for now, we have this here. We go down and get started. Sign up coming soon for affiliates. I think we'll just leave it as that. And just have it as starter and pro. And we'll just go from there. I think, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to a few friends now, show them the updated stuff that we have for the pricing and see if it's something that they would be interested in now based on the pricing and all that kind of stuff, to see if they would want to have be part of some type of affiliate program. Yeah, maybe we can start with word of mouth and saying like, hey, listen, if I have them saying, hey, yeah, I brought in, Jim, Mark, whatever, Steph, Natasha, whatever, hey, Odum, these people are going to be coming in over. If you see them sign up, then you just know that that's from me, and then we'll send them the checks, through that, if that's what happens, and then we can figure out how we can maybe have a more recurring thing, or maybe we don't have it at all. I don't know. Maybe. Since we can't just make it easy. So I think we're going to also, we're going to just hide you for now. And just, we'll hide it for now, and maybe we'll just try to do it person to person for now. I don't know. Well, we'll see. I'll have to sleep on it. I'll have to think about it. Okay. So I think that's going to be it for me today. So at least we got everything that we wanted live, except for obviously the affiliate marketing. We're going to have to figure that out. But let's just plug this away and then see what we can do over the next month or so. See if we can get any clients, see if there's any interest in Pixel this way, and go from there. So tomorrow we're going to get back into getting our Naked Flow theme up and running, because we were working on that yesterday, and we want to get that. I would like to get that out the door before the weekend, so we have something on our templates section of our website, which will be really, really cool. And Tupo, we'll definitely look at seeing what we can do to create one of those like hero sections or whatever the case it is, with like the different rounded corners which go concave and convex or whatever on both sides. So we'll work on that as well too. We'll see what we can come up with that. All right, guys, that's it for me. Have a good one. Thank you so much for joining. Much appreciate all the support. And as always, we'll be back here with another live stream tomorrow. Have a good one. We'll see you then.